Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mr. English Podcasts. My name is Mike.
And I'm Sia. Welcome. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, we are. Our goal is to make learning English easy and fun for you.
That's right. Before we start today's topic, we have a small request. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, your support helps us create more content for you. It's free and it only takes a second. Thank you.
Okay, so Mike, what are we talking about today?
Today, we are talking about a very common situation. We are going to a restaurant.
Oh, I love restaurants. This is a great topic. Everyone loves to eat out sometimes.
Exactly. And knowing what to say can make it much more fun and less stressful.
I agree. Sometimes speaking in a new language can be scary.
It can be. But today, we will teach you some simple and useful phrases so you will feel confident.
That sounds perfect. Okay, let's start. Let's imagine we are going to a restaurant right now.
Great idea. So we walk into the restaurant. What is the first thing we do?
We look for someone to help us?
Yes, usually there is a person near the door. This person is called a host or a hostess if it's a woman.
Okay, the host or hostess. Their job is to greet people and give them a table.
Correct. So we walk up to the host and we say hello. Then we ask for a table.
And how do we do that? What is a simple way to ask?
A table for two, please.
A table for two, please.
It is. If you are alone, you say, a table for one, please.
Okay, and if we are a big group, like 5 people?
Then you say, a table for 5, please. You just say the number of people in your group. It's very simple.
Got it. So the host says right this way and takes us to our table. We sit down. What's next?
The host will give us a menu. A menu is a list of all the food and drinks the restaurant has.
Right, the menu. We look at the menu, then another person comes to our table.
Yes, this person is the waiter or waitress for a woman. They will take our order.
Okay, the waiter. What do they usually say first?
Often they start with drinks. They might ask, "Can I get you anything to drink?" Or, "Are you ready to order some drinks?"
Okay, drinks first. This is a good time to order water or maybe a soda or juice.
Exactly. To order, you can use the phrase, "I would like." It's very polite. For example, "I would like a water, please."
I would like a water, please. I like that. Is there another way to say it?
Yes, you can also say, "Can I have?" For example, "Can I have a Coke, please?"
Okay, so I can say, can I have an apple juice, please?
Perfect. Very clear and polite. The waiter will then bring your drinks.
Great. Now for the food. I'm getting hungry just talking about this.
Me too. So the waiter might say, "Are you ready to order?" Or they might come back in a few minutes.
Okay, let's say we are ready, but the menu has so many choices. I don't know what to get.
This happens a lot. It's okay to ask for help. You can ask the waiter for a recommendation.
A recommendation? You mean ask for their idea?
Yes, you can say, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend? That's a fantastic phrase to know. It's so useful.
It really is. The waiter knows the food well. They might suggest something popular or a special dish.
So the waiter might say, the salmon is very good today.
Exactly. And if you like that idea, you can say, "Okay, I'll have the salmon, please."
I'll have the salmon, please. The phrase, I'll have, is also good for ordering.
Yes, "I'll have" or "I would like." Both are perfect. So let's say I order the chicken. "I would like the grilled chicken, please."
Great. So we have ordered our drinks and our food. We are talking, enjoying the restaurant.
And then the food arrives. It looks delicious.
Yes. But wait, what if I need something? For example, my food needs a little more salt.
That's a great question.
You need to get the waiter's attention politely.
How do I do that? Just shout, "Waiter?"
No, that's not very polite. The best way is to make eye contact and maybe raise your hand a little. When they look, you can say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me? Okay, that's much better.
Then, when the waiter comes to your table, you can ask for what you need. For example, could we have some salt, please?
Could we have some salt, please? Or maybe, could I have some more water, please?
Yes, exactly. Could I have is another very polite and useful phrase.
This is great. So we finish our meal. It was delicious. Now it's time to go home. That's great advice, Mike. But what if there's a problem with the food? For example, what if my steak is too rare or my soup is cold?
Not yet. We have to pay first.
Oh, right. Of course. We need to ask for the bill. Or in American English, it's more common to say the check.
That's right. Bill is more British, check is more American. Both are understood.
So again, we say, "Excuse me," and then what?
We can say, "Could we have the check, please?"
Could we have the check, please? Simple enough.
The waiter brings the check. Now you need to decide how to pay, with cash or with a card.
Okay. The waiter might ask, "Will that be cash or card?"
And you can answer, "By card, please," or "I'll pay with cash."
Perfect. So we pay the bill, and it's also common to leave a small amount of extra money for the waiter. This is called a tip.
Yes, in the United States, leaving a tip is very common and expected. It shows you are happy with the service.
That's a good cultural note. Okay, I think we have covered everything from start to finish.
I think so too. It seems like a lot, but it's just a few key phrases. Let's do a quick review for our listeners.
Yes, a review is a great idea. It helps to remember.
Okay, so remember, when you enter the restaurant, you say,
A table for two, please.
when the waiter asks about drinks, you can say,
Can I have a water, please? Or, I would like an orange juice, please.
If you don't know what to eat, you ask,
What do you recommend?
to order your food, you say,
I'll have the chicken, please.
if you need something during your meal, you say,
Excuse me, could I have some pepper, please?
and when you are ready to pay, you say,
Could we have the check, please?
that's it. If you remember these phrases, you will have a great experience at any restaurant.
I agree. The most important thing is to try. Don't be afraid.
Exactly. Practice makes perfect. You can even practice with a friend before you go.
That's a wonderful tip. Well, that is all the time we have for today on Mr. English Podcasts.
We really hope this lesson was helpful. Remember to listen to it a few times to really learn the phrases.
And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more lessons like this one.
Thanks for listening, everyone. We will see you next time.
Goodbye for now.
bye.